students, welcome in our English online class. Students, in our previous lesson, we have started a chapter of English grammar and that is conjunctions. Conjunctions are the linking words or joining words with the help of which we join two words or sentences. We have learnt about and, but, or, and we use when we have similar ideas, similar beliefs and similar informations, or we use when we have the choices, okay, and but we use when we have the differences or contrast. So students, let's move further towards the new conjunction, and that is because. Because when we have a reason or a cause in a sentence, we join two words or sentences. So when we get the reason in the second part of the sentence of the first one, that time we use because, and most of the time we put the question why did you come late. So you have the reason at that time, because that's why I come late today. So that time we use because when we have reason, when we have some cause, okay, reason we have to explain that this happened, that's why I was late today. So in this manner we use because for a cause or a reason. For example, I slept early. Why? Because I was tired. I was feeling tired, that's why I slept early. Now students, in these two sentences, second sentence also I have written because I was tired, I slept early. It means the conjunction because we can use in the first part of a sentence or in the second part of a sentence. But when we use in the first part of a sentence, after completing the first part of the sentence, we put a comma. Okay? Because I was tired, then here there is a comma. So when we have two sentences and when we are using because in the beginning of a sentence, that time we put a comma after completing the first part of the sentence. Okay students? Now next conjunction is so. So we use in a sentence when we tell about the result and when we come out upon a decision. I was tired, so I woke up late. I was tired and I woke up late. That is a result of tiredness. Okay. So here, so we use to tell the result of first part of the sentence. In this sentence, we have two sentences and we merge these two sentences with the help of so conjunction. So in this sentence, the first part of the sentence is I was tired. This is the first sentence. And the second sentence is I woke up late. And now I want to merge or join this sentence with the help of so conjunction. So here I will use so because it tells us the result of the first part in the second sentence. So in this manner we use so conjunction. Okay students. Now next one is though. Now student, if you will look here, contrast and ideas. Though we use when we are joining two words or sentences which tells us about the contrast or ideas. Okay, contrast ideas. Now students, if you have remembered about the but we use for the differences or the contrast. So there is some similarity between but conjunction and though conjunction. But we use but to join two independent sentences. Independent means the sentences which are not dependent on each other. Okay? That type of sentences are known as independent sentences. And though we use when the two sentences of a sentence depends on each other. Join two parts of the same sentence. It means both the sentences are dependent on each other. That time we use though conjunction. We have an example also. Though they live in two different cities, If I will not write this sentence here, though they live in two different cities, that is my first part of the sentence. And if I will not add this sentence, then my sentence will be incomplete. So, to complete my sentence, I have to add one more sentence. And what is that one? Monica and Reena are great friends. So, that is my complete sentence. Okay, so in this manner, we use join to the same sentences where the sentences are dependent on each other. Okay, though. Now students, as we have discussed here also, when we use the conjunction in the beginning of a sentence, that time after completing the first part of the sentence, we put a comma. So here also when we use though conjunction in a sentence, though they live in two different cities, after cities there is a comma. So here also when though we use in the beginning of a sentence, that time after completing the first part of the sentence, we put comma. Then afterwards I will add the another sentence. Okay students. Now the next one is as. Now students, as we have discussed though and but, there is some similarity. In the same manner as and because. In both these two also there is some similarity. Now reason. Here we use because for reason or for cause both. But here we use only for a reason, not for a cause. Okay. We have an example. As I had to wake up early, I went to bed early. Now here the one part of the sentence tells us the reason of the another part of the sentence. Okay students. So in this manner we use as when we tell the reason of one part of the sentence to the another one. That time we use as conjunction. Okay students, so today we have learned about because, so, though and as. I hope you have understood these conjunctions very well. So students, that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.